they have answered in the yo form. Okay, but what you're going to do is write a comparison paper, not really a paper, it's just going to be 4 small paragraphs comparing their information to your information. Okay, so if you asked that person, how old are you, and they answered, yo tengo 16 años, what you're going to write is going to be something like this. Él tiene 16 años y yo tengo 17 años. Or you could use pero here, but I am 17. He is 16, but I am 17 years old. So so what you're going to do is take their yo statement and put it into the LA form, depending on he or she, if whoever answered it. So you're going to take this verb and change it. So you've written the question in the to form, they've answered it in the yo form, and now you're putting it into the ella form, right? We're reviewing all of the verb tenses in most of the subject pronouns. Now, if the two of you are the same age, you can use the nosotros form. We are 16. So, for example, Miriam y yo tenemos 16 años. You can write it together. Really, the only form you're not going to use is going to be the ellos, ellas, ustedes, because there weren't any questions that were about they or you all. Okay? So, you're going to start out with present tense. Okay, this is how I want it to be organized. Present tense with an introduction. I'm going to go over that in just a second. Preterite tense, the preterite past tense. Those are things like most of you asked, when were you born? Where were you born? Specific things. Imperfect past tense, what did you used to do? And then end with future tense, what will you do? So, for example, even in the imperfect past tense, like the question, ¿Dónde vivías? Where did you live? Where did you used to live? Maybe you both lived in the same place, so you could, again, put that in the nosotros form. Tristan y yo vivíamos in Gunnersville or Grant or wherever. So, as an introduction, not all of you asked the question, ¿Cómo te llamas? Or ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What is your name? But I want you to put that in there. So that can be your introductory sentence, and then you can finish that paragraph with your present tense information. Compañero or compañera is the word for classmate. You could use amigo or amiga if you want to. But you can use this for classmate. So you can start out with me llamo and then your name. Y so-and-so es mi compañero.
And then you just put your presents.
And then you would just start your present tense questions. Now, I only want you to choose 2 of the questions from each tense. I had you write 3 questions, but some of you wrote questions that are going to be kind of difficult to put into a writing assignment, into a paragraph. So I want you to choose 2 of each. So 2 present tense questions, 2 of the preterite tense questions, 2 of the imperfect, and 2 of the future. Okay, so you're going to, now you can include all of the questions if you want to, but you must include at least 2. Tienen preguntas? Do you have questions?